interesting elevator setup here. Over there we have an old Westinghouse hydro that was actually just replaced by Schindler.
Not open yet.
Over here, yeah, it's only running there. Over here we have an original elevator. This is actually one of the cooler finds that hasn't laid in a while here. Schindler MT. Look at this. It's a long bar as well too. It's an old Westinghouse from 1989. So I guess it's not Schindler MT, it's actual proper Westing. Yep, look at this long bar MT. Old Westinghouse. Let's go to 8. And these actually press slightly different. They're a little more stiff. Hear that motor generator?
Yeah, I was trying to get out.
This is actually probably one of the older Westinghouses I've seen with MT.
I didn't even know Westy MT was a thing.
Westinghouse was the one that I guess invented it. See, notice how the bar is a bit longer?
That's really cool.
We just caught this thing too.
Mm-hmm. Presumably, if the other one's going, this is too. That's it.